Hi, and welcome to your midday branding tip number 18. This is an important one as well, and it is that your favorite color is not necessarily the best color for your brand. I am in the process of doing a brand audit challenge with a bunch of amazing people, and today we went through the psychology of color. And here's an important thing to understand, that color does have psychology attached to it. Different colors mean different things to people. And so if you were to take a color like red, which is vibrant and energetic, an incredibly passionate color, a powerful color, it also has connotations of danger, stop, warning, there's something going on here. So when you understand what the color actually means, it means that you can then bring the right color to your brand rather than simply choosing your favorite color. And I'd like to give you a couple of examples. I worked with a chap who was in the food industry. His job was to go into restaurants and plan the layout of the restaurants so that food would flow easily, people could move around easily, that the service of food, the creation of food, everything along those lines would work seamlessly. Now, his favorite color was blue, so he wanted his brand to have blue in it. Because he was in the whole development side of a restaurant, before it actually became a restaurant, he wanted to have black and yellow to imply the cordoning off of areas when there is a build going on. Now, here are a couple of problems with his choice of color. Firstly, blue is not a good food color. If you're in the food industry, don't use the color blue. It is naturally an appetite suppressant. You will find no blue naturally in any food, anywhere. It doesn't grow as the color blue. The closest you might get is blueberries, which are actually purple. But if there are things that tend to be blue, it's more of a warning. Don't eat these. They're not good for you. Blue is an appetite suppressant, so you should never use it for any restaurants. Think about restaurants and cafes out there. Do you know any that have their brand color as blue? Most of them tend to have colors that are naturally found in food. Green, red, orange, yellow, browns, because these colors bring out this feeling of wanting to eat and have an appetite. The other problem is that he wanted yellow and black, which, yes, it does symbolize a cornering off of an area that is being developed or built, but it's also danger. That combination together is a danger sign. You know, if people are walking around and there's a big hole in the ground and they've cornered it off, they usually have yellow in there, which is a warning color as well, to kind of grab people's attention and go, don't come to this particular area. Yellow is an amazing color because it is so eye-catching, but at the same time, it does tend to make a brand look a little bit cheap. So in Australia, we have brands such as JB Hi-Fi and Dick Smith that use that yellow and black combination to bring about this perception that they are more affordable. So understanding your color and what that means to your customer, to your audience psychologically is really important. I always like to go back to whatever your brand personality is. So depending on what the personality of your brand is, would help you determine what kind of colors you should have for your brand. If, for example, you're the caregiver, your colors can be soft, gentle, pastel kind of colors. However, if you're the hero, your colors need to be strong and bold and vibrant and energetic. So you can see how color can also relate to personality. So next time you are building a brand or you're thinking about what kind of colors to use, Go back to whatever the personality is. And please don't go straight to your favorite color. It might not actually be the right color for your brand. I'll see you tomorrow for your next branding tip.